guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, this is going to be a quick video to show you what I plan on doing with my pumpkin candle holders or containers. You can also use these in the bathroom and put like little cotton balls, whatever, small soaps, or even like Epsom salts. Just really cute things you can use this in the bathroom, okay? And then you could probably use it in the living room on the coffee table, put little candies inside. I'm sure you can come up with other reasons to use them as well. But for me, I'm going to use these as candle holders, okay? First off, I have a pack of wicks that I picked up from Temu.com. Now, these wicks, they're not like the wicks that I used in the previous DIY. These does not have the little stickers on the bottom, so you will have to use hot glue or some type of quick drying glue. So all you need to do is just put a little bit of hot glue on the bottom and put this right in the center. And now I'll do the other two, same way. Here we have our wicks ready. Next, I have my little hot plate that I picked up from Amazon.com. I have my stainless steel pitcher that I'm going to use for my wax. I'm going to use some soy wax. And I purchased this wax from Amazon.com. And I actually used it in an earlier Dollar Tree DIY. This is one of the candles that I made in that previous DIY. And they burn really well. I made 3. And it smells really good, but it's really glam and pretty. And these will make beautiful Christmas gifts. Beautiful Christmas gifts. And I'll be using this ladle just for my wax. And I'm going to put probably about, let's see how many scoops. That's 1. Gonna do the 3 scoops, and I have water inside my pot here, so I'm gonna sit this inside and allow my wax to melt. I'll be using some essential oils to scent my candles, so I'm going to allow my soy wax to melt and then I'll return. Okay guys, I'm back. As you can see, it's halfway melted, so I'm going to add another scoop of my wax. While off camera, I remembered that I had some other essential oils. So we have lemon, peppermint, frankincense, cedar, eucalyptus, cinnamon, orange flower, rosemary, lavender, and tea tree. So since I have these other essential oils, I might try something different. So let me stir my wax around. Let me break my wax up. And I'm going to take this down to 4. I went ahead and grabbed one of my marble coasters. I'm going to use it to put my picture on top. I have a napkin. I'm just going to put that on top of there. Now I'll move that aside. I don't have a thermometer. I'm just going to allow this to cool down. I'm going to go ahead and pour some of my wax into this container. Now I'll set this aside and add more soy wax. Okay guys, I'm sorry I don't have any measurements. I'm just eyeballing this as I go, figuring it out. As I continue to learn candles, I'll start measuring so I can give you guys the accurate measurements, okay? So with this one, I'm going to use, I really like this orange flower. Let's put some orange flower in here. And I'm going to use a lot because I want it to be really fragrant. Stir it up. That's pretty strong, but I want it stronger. I want a really strong throw from the candle. This is probably about 1/4 of the bottle, maybe a little bit less. So now I'll take a popsicle stick and put it here and here. And let's move this over to the side so it can cool off. So now I'll wait for more wax to melt and then come back. Okay guys, I'm back and my wax is mostly melted. And let's go ahead and see if we have enough wax for the next 2 candles. Alright, so let's just go ahead and pour some wax in like we did before. For the next fragrance, I'm going to mix lemon and lavender. This time around, I'll use some peppermint. So now I will allow all three of these to cool off. When they cool off, I'll come back and cut the wicks down and then burn them and let you see what that looks like. Meanwhile, I want to give this a try. This is a candle making kit from Dollar Tree. And as you see, DIY, do it yourself. So let's see what comes in this. Alright, we have a packet of wax beads, magnolia, blueberry, and sea sprayed melon. I'm not a fan of these colors, but let's see what happens. This is the jar that it comes with. I like the design on the bottom. It's a really cute jar, and you can actually add some decorations to it. All you need to do with this is just layer your candle. So it does have a fragrance to it. So let's try some green. Let's try some magnolia white. It's like white with small little blue beads in it. Okay, I'm just gonna tap that down. Come back in with some more of the green. A couple of chunks in there, so let me break up the chunks. So I guess the best thing to do is to just squeeze the bag before you use it. Break up the chunks. So now I'll use this popsicle stick to make a design in the wax beads. Again, I'm going to allow that to completely set up, cut the wicks, and then burn them, and I'll burn this as well. Okay guys, I'm back, and now I'm ready to cut my wicks, light my candles, and open my wax melts. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is cut the wicks. I'm going to use my cute little bird scissors that I picked up from Temu. These are really sharp. Okay, so I'm just going to cut it down to about here. This one does not need to be cut. Turn the lights down. Wow, look at how pretty they glow. These are so cute. I love them. Okay, my camera is blinking. My battery is about to die. So let's go ahead and light this one. Remember, this is the Dollar Tree DIY candle. It gives off a nice little glow. So now the flame is melting the wax. These Dollar Tree DIY candles would make great Christmas gifts. I'm going to allow Eden to make one on her channel. I think she will like this. But yeah, it's burning really well. But again, I'll set this out and let you guys see what they all look like on display. And as promised, here's my candles burning with different lighting in the background. And the cool thing about this candle is once the candle has completely burned out, you can clean the container and use it for other things. Okay everyone, this concludes my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.